Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. Thank you for stopping by today for today's quick tip. I had a little thought go on during the week, obviously triggered by a conversation with a client, a coaching client, and we were actually choosing some photos for her profile, her dating profile, and she was being very critical of some pictures that I really thought were lovely pictures and really looked like her, and it was the right upbeat expression and the great surroundings, and I loved the color she was wearing, and she was nitpicking on something that I thought was just the minutia, right? And it reminded me of looking back at old photos, which I've been doing recently. My daughter is expecting my first grandchild, her first child, in August, and I've been looking through I pulled out all the photo albums, and I look back at the photos and I look at pictures when I thought, oh, I still have all this weight to lose after the baby. And at the time, that's what I was thinking. And you've had this happen, I know you have, where you thought, oh, I was too this or too not enough of that. Back in the day, those were your thoughts when you originally saw this photo. And now if you look back at it, you're like, why didn't I realize how adorable I was or how cute my figure was? I was so nitpicky, and now I only wish that I could look like I did in those pictures of myself in my 30s, right? So I wanted to just pop in today with that as the impetus for this conversation to remind you to stop being so critical of yourself and to put on those rose-colored glasses and look at yourself with love in your heart towards yourself. Be kind to you. Stop looking for the negatives. Instead, choose to look for the positives. There's two kinds of people in the world, and some look for, actually, that's a whole little quick tip video. I'll put it right here. The point is, stop being so critical of these pictures of you. If your friends tell you it's a great photo, you should use it on your dating app, or this should be on your wall, this picture of you and your kids. Stop being so harsh, comparing yourself to what you used to look like or the celebrity on the cover of the magazine at the grocery store, and appreciate where you are now in this journey, in your 50s, hopefully feeling good, hopefully still growing and learning and becoming a better version of yourself. Please love yourself and look at these photos of yourself with kindness, because you will look back at them someday, years from now, and go, oh my God, look how adorable I was in my 50s and I didn't even realize it. Don't do that to yourself again. Please give this episode a thumbs up. If you know what I'm talking about, thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that ring bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new episode. And I will look forward to being together again soon. So until then, have a good one. Look like that. Oops.